Pacific Laser Systems introduces the PLS 360. The PLS 360 from Pacific Laser Systems is a fully self-leveling laser tool. Unlike rotary lasers with sensitive moving parts, the PLS 360 has no complicated features or multiple knob adjustments, just a one-button setup for indoor and outdoor applications. How long does it take you to set up your rotary laser? Tired of the same old spin? Save time and simplify your workday with this compact, bright, and durable tool. The PLS 360 operates on 3D batteries for more than 35 hours, has a working range of 250 feet, and is accurate to 1/8 of an inch at 100 feet. The PLS 360 system includes a rigid carrying case, a wall bracket, the SLD laser detector, and a 1-year warranty. PLS Lasers, the professional standard.